Come on, smell this. Let's smell this meat. I'm sure this is good meat.
Ooh, it almost smells freezer burn.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Let me tell you a short story. This was supposed to be a low and slow rib cook. I had 2 racks of ribs, a third in the freezer. I forgot to pull them out. So I get up this morning and I said, we're gonna do ribs. So I went to the grocery store and I bought 2 racks of ribs. Got everything ready, opened them up, the meat was bad. So I packed them up in a bag, took them right back to the store, got my money back. Totally not in the mood for ribs anymore. So we got some New York strip steaks and we're just gonna grill them up, guys. I hope you're okay with that, but let's get this thing going. I'm kind of hungry and frustrated now, so let's get going. Hey guys, as you can see, these are not ribs. These are New York strip. They're pretty good. I'm guessing, really don't know the weights on them. They're at least a good 10 ounce. This might be, I don't know, they're a good inch thick. We're gonna try to get a little smoke on them, but yeah, anywhere from 10, maybe, well, it might be a 12 ounce or so. I'm not gonna put anything else on them. I'm just gonna come in here with some of this All Things Roast from Porter Road, which is excellent on steaks. Link below to Porter Road. And I just transferred just so I could pour a little bit easier. I'm just gonna get these seasoned up on her. That's all we're gonna put on these. This will be a pretty fast cook. Right. Turn them over and get the other side. Guys, when that comes up, the charcoal is done, we'll get it dumped. Get that grill heated up and get these on. I believe we are there, folks. It's done. Hot fire, up fire. A little bit of a grease fire. I'll let that burn off a little bit. Alright, let's get this in there. Oh guys, I think we're about ready. I'm gonna come in here and go indirect for just a little bit. Can't go very long, but I want to try to get a little smoke on these. They're not real thick steaks, but I think they can handle a few minutes of this of some smoke. I got just 1 piece of mesquite wood I'm gonna throw on here and get some smoke going. You get a big piece of wood like that going on that charcoal, it takes it a minute to get smoking, so I like to let the air get to it sometimes and let it flame up a bit, or real close to it anyway, before I put the lid on. I think we're good to go. It's starting to smoke really good. Alright, just a few minutes guys and then I'll go direct. If I get a little smoke, at least get a good hint here. Because I'm going to come in here, we're going to go direct for maybe about 3 or 4 minutes on each side. I'll check back in a few minutes. See if they're ready to turn. Very nice. Give them a few minutes and we'll check some temperatures. Get some temps here. We're right there, 130. Yeah, it's time to pull these guys. Yeah, definitely. Get these off here. This is good medium right there, 140 with. Needs to come off. Guys, let me get these off of here and we'll go inside, let them rest a few minutes. And we'll cut this up and get a taste. Take a look at that bad boy. Tell you what, that sure does look good. Let's see how it cuts here and see how we did. It's going right down the middle. Got a good medium, it's about what I said on the grill. Everything looks good. I'm perfectly good with the medium. Got plenty of juices. I think this is going to be a win, guys. Let's get a bite of that. Get a little piece of that. That is the best tasting baby back ribs I've ever had. Alright, not baby back ribs, but I told you that story already. This cook was supposed to be baby back ribs. It turned out to be some New York strip steaks, which are delicious, by the way. I think the good Lord was telling me not to eat pork today. Maybe. I'll accept it. Guys, thank you so much. These steaks were delish. Not the cook I planned. It is the cook we ended up doing. They're a bit faster cooked than what I intended, but that's okay. I think I earned this steak today. Guys, thank you as always. Please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and hit that bell notification to let you know every time I post a new video. Guys, until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye. Cheers to you guys.
Hello.